All right, so I wanted to show you a little trick that I've been messing with lately. Saw it online. So, regular straw, right? And basically, go on ahead and cut, I don't know, 2-3 inches of it off. You're gonna take and you're gonna cut the end into a triangle shape. You're gonna flatten it out real good. All right, so once you get it nice and flat, then what you do is you hold it just a little bit above where you made your cut, between your lips, and ready? So I've been messing around with these. I got a bunch of different ones from straws and stuff. All different ones. But just a cute little fun thing to do, you know, maybe it's an improvised call, you know, or whatever, but just kind of fun.